So we're going to talk about light-dependent reactions in photosynthesis with photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. So first we start out with photosystem 1, which is, if you go in order, this one actually comes before the photosystem 1. And what's going to happen is that light comes in, and because the light is coming in, it's going to reach the bottom, and that is where it's going to split the water. And so the water becomes the two H's and the oxygen. They split apart, so it's no longer water. And then when the hydrogen split apart, that contributes to the hydrogen concentration gradient that is already forming at the bottom. But as this happened, when the hydrogen went through, the electrons got excited, and so we're going to move them through. That's what they do. They go down, and they go to this next protein. Once the electron has reached the protein, hydrogen is now able to move through because it's going to go to a lower concentration. These electrons keep going, and when it reaches photosystem 1, light once again goes through, and the process happens once again. So we're going to have another water. Hydrogen is going to split again, and again adding to the concentration gradient. And then, because there is a high concentration gradient, hydrogen is going to look for ATP synthase so that it can move through. So a few of these are going to move through, and they're going to be up here. While this is also happening, we have ADP, and ADP is going to find a free phosphate so that it can turn into ATP, and this is called cyclic phosphorylation. So one of the products is going to be ATP. The other product is going to be when NAD also picks up a free phosphate, and that becomes NADP. And what this one is looking for is hydrogens. So the hydrogens that move through the ATP synthase are going to be picked up by NADPH, and that so that it can become the NADPH. So this is going to be the other product along with ATP.